Hello, Meech. Welcome back. It's great to see you again.
Hello, great to see you too.
How have you been since we last spoke about your smoking cessation plan?
I've been getting on great. How about yourself?
I've been getting on good as well. Sounds wonderful for you. Last time we decided that the nicotine patch and inhalator were the best options for you. I'd love to just check in on how you're finding them. Is that
Yeah,
fine?
that's great. That's no problem.
So let's start off with the patch. Are you using it every day as recommended?
Yes, so as you briefed me, after the day is done and I'm changing it, I'll make sure to rotate it on the different arm and a different spot. I'm ensuring that it's not on the same spot for 7 days.
That's great. Have you noticed any changes in your cravings or withdrawal symptoms?
Only a positive one. In the morning, I don't feel the urge to have a cigarette because the nicotine patch is giving me enough nicotine so that when I wake up, I don't have the same craving.
Sounds great. Have you experienced any skin irritation, redness, or itching where the patch is applied?
No, so when I remove the patch, I have a look at the skin. I'm not feeling any itchiness or irritation either, and nothing visible uh changes there. So all good.
Great. That's great. Have you noticed any sleep disturbances such as vivid dreams or trouble sleeping?
No, I haven't noticed any of those changes.
Have you felt any dizziness, headaches, or have you had an upset stomach at all?
No, none of those.
That's great. Are you experiencing any nicotine cravings despite using the patch? Despite using the patch, despite using the inhalator, have you experienced any cravings at all?
No, both of those combined are definitely enough for
Yeah,
me.
that's great. So now let's move on to the inhalator and talk about that. So how often are you using the inhalator throughout the day?
So at the moment, I'm using a maximum of three. So as I said, in the morning, I don't have the craving for a cigarette, so I wouldn't use the inhalator. After a meal, when I'd usually have a cigarette, I do feel a little bit of an urge, so I'd take the inhalator and then I'm fine. And then early evening, I'd have another one, and sometimes at night. So that would be my third one if I need so. But usually 2 to 3 maximum in a day for me.
Sure. So in terms of the inhalator, have you experienced any throat or mouth irritation?
No, I haven't. After using the inhalator, I usually rinse my mouth, and I think that's what's helping prevent any irritation, mouth ulcers.
Great. Have you noticed any coughing or dizziness after using the inhalator?
No, so quite the opposite. Usually when I smoke a cigarette, I tend to cough up some mucus, but with this it's much cleaner. I don't have my lungs feel more cleaner. I'm not producing a mucus from the chest, so quite
So-
happy about that.
Sounds brilliant. Are you using the inhalator consistently to manage cravings?
Yeah, so as I said, around 2 to 3 times. At the moment, I don't feel to um exceed three, as it's doing fine for me.
So just to let you know, the inhalator usually works best when you use it regularly rather than waiting until your craving becomes too strong.
Okay, okay. So I will ensure that I don't let the craving get too strong, and I'll use it more regular.
Yeah. So have you noticed any symptoms of nicotine overdose at all, such as nausea, rapid heartbeat, or excessive sweating?
No, I haven't experienced any of those symptoms.
Okay. So overall, how confident are you now feeling about quitting smoking?
I'm feeling very confident. I haven't had any of the same cravings as I described to you in our last consultation when I tried to quit for 2 weeks. This combination, the patch and the inhalator, definitely working for me at the moment.
So you're happy with the nicotine replacement therapy, you feel that it's helping. Would you like to explore any adjustments at all?
No, at the moment, I'm more than happy. I feel like it's being managed well, and I haven't even had the 6 a day max of the inhalator. So even
Yeah,
3 a day, I'd say I don't have the urge to smoke. So I'm quite happy with that. And if I do have the urge, I can make up to 6, which is very good to know.
yeah, sounds great. So Before we finish, do you have any concerns or any questions at all about your quit plan or about your nicotine replacement therapy?
No, I don't have any questions. You've been great and everything's been going well so far.
So, I mean, you're doing a great job, and it's not difficult for people to, to quit smoking and stop suddenly like you've done, and you're doing a very great job. And every step that you take brings you closer to a smoke-free life. And I'm glad that you're getting along well. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh, you mentioned that you haven't had any side effects so far.
nothing.
If you do have any negative side effects, then please stop taking it and speak to your GP. That does happen to you.
Okay,
And lastly, since you've been getting on, since you've been telling me you've been getting on very well with the nicotine replacement therapy in the past 2 weeks, then then is it okay if we have a follow-up? And just if you do get any side effects at all within those with it at all when you're continuing using it, then we can look at an alternative for you as well if that's something that does happen.
okay, that's great to know.
So would it be fine if we get another follow-up in 4 weeks' time since you've been getting on so well for the past two
Yeah,
weeks?
that's fine with me. Yeah,
Fine with you?
everything's going smooth, everything's going well. So, I'm very happy at the moment. And if I do get any of the side effects, I'll definitely get into contact with my GP.
Yeah, sure. So we look forward to hearing from you, and I'm very happy for you, and I'm glad that it's working for you
Thank
and
you.
that it's helping you. And if you do have any questions at all or any concerns at all, then you can get in contact with the pharmacy at any time. Get in contact us at any time, and we will be able to help you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Is that all? Is there anything else you'd like to ask me at all?
No, that's been great. Thank you very much.
Okay, well, it's great to see you again, and take care and have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Take care.